70% of the world's millionaires started with zero money. But they all did this. What? They all took a step.
I'm working on my second million.
Really?
Yes. I gave up on my first.
Hi, world changer. Let me tell you about my sister. Her dream was to be a fashion designer, but she didn't just sit there. She took a step. She borrowed fashion books from the library. She asked for fashion crafts for Christmas. She volunteered in the local shop. She worked hard at school and gave up her Saturdays working for free. She is now one of the top purse designers in the world, often flying between Paris, New York, and London. Bye, sis. Take a step and don't ever let a lack of money stop you.
I made $1 million one year.
Wow.
Yes.
I'm impressed.
Yes, thanks. I think that was the year I got arrested for counterfeiting, actually.
Left, right, left, right, left, right. Come on, don't just sit there. Take a step, man. Join the ranks. Join Twitter. Get the book. Do something. Take a step. Don't just sit there anymore.
Left, right, left, right, left, right. I'm a pretty sight. Left, right, time to get a bite.